Okay, this is a custom RC car with motors
Made out of drills.
made out of drills, running on 4S, kind of a battlebot platform, probably.
We don't know how much it weighs.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy.
Around 30 pounds.
Okay, yeah.
Pretty much a monster.
Okay, let's see how fast it goes.
You wanna see it?
Yeah, let's take it for a spin.
21 miles per hour.
Maybe
Is it
around.
top speed around it?
We calculated about what it has 1100 RPM each wheel, 6.5 inches diameter, so we calculated maximum 20 miles per hour. Probably makes less, but it has a lot of torque. With the drills are now in high speed, the gears are in high speed. They used to be in
High torque?
high torque, yeah, so probably it was a third of their speed.
At least it's not that powerful. Those ramming force is still powerful.
Yeah. Okay, so let's see what's inside, right? Quickly, bring it in. So these are the drills. These are Black & Decker drills, you can see. These are custom 3D printed mounts, motor mounts. These drills run brushed motors, yeah. So we got in here basically all the electronics. This is a custom differential drive controller. It has a PIC microcontroller, so then it sends signals to two ESCs, and there's two motors in parallel. So that's basically all this car is. Really simple. This the body is made out of PVC boards that you can buy at home center. So the most complicated part was probably this custom mounts, but yeah, the wheels are well, actually what we did to the wheels, these are standard RC wheels, but if you are going to get regular ones, plastic ones, they're going to strip, which happened to this wheel, so we just did a aluminum hub, and this bolts, screws are holding it in place, so it's much more stronger now. So yeah, this is our drill car, that's how we call it. We'll try to race it with our RC cars, see how it goes.